For this block, you're gonna need your exercise band. I'm gonna grab my 2 bands to create a heavy resistant workout, so you can grab whatever you have. So I'm gonna grab my 2 bands, link them together, and we're gonna be doing bird dogs, 1 set of 10 repetitions. So what you're gonna wanna do is grab both of the bands and loop them, or 1 band, whatever you have, loop them through your palm. It's a little bit more stable hand position. So from here, you're going to pull your foot through the bands. Make sure that your palm is sitting super flat on the ground. Your hips and your knees align, your hands and your shoulders align, and you're gonna push that leg back and bring the opposite arm out, and then bring it back to center. So we're gonna do 1 set of 10 reps on each side. So get ready. Get into position. Here we go. Ready, and go. Push, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, good job. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent job. Shake your wrist out, roll it out. And we're gonna switch sides. And you wanna keep the movement slow and controlled. Even when it gets tough, still keep the movement slow and controlled. You don't wanna rush through and get the wrong technique. So here we go. Loop your foot through, palm securely pushing down onto the floor, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, you got it. 5, 6, 7, 8, almost there. 9, and 10. Great job. Take your wrist out of your bands and take it on up. Good job.